Hey, so if you're someone who loves to go fishing or likes to go for trips on the beach, then you'll want to listen up to this review just for a sec. I was asked by this company, VEVOR, to receive this product for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review, but I was really excited to get it because we love to go fishing as a family. So, like we always do when we get products to put together, we got everything out of the box, we assembled everything or laid everything out on the table so we could easily assemble it. And then I even took a overview, a video of it being assembled, which wasn't hard to put together at all. The instructions were very clear. Everything went together just like it should. It came with all the tools and the necessary components that you needed to assemble it with. Oh, another great feature about this thing, before I forget, is it has 8 spots to put your fishing rods in, and then it's got the little cutout on the rod holder for the reel to slide into, so you don't have to worry about your fishing poles falling out. The wheels, the tires are very sturdy. They roll really smooth, so you don't have to worry about it being wobbly or anything. It's got the fabric compartment that goes in the middle, so you can put all your tackle boxes, your lunch, whatever you need to put in there. Another great feature of this is, like I said, the compartments on both sides, but you can throw it right in the wash machine. So if you get fish guts and everything on it, just throw it right in the wash machine or spray it down with the water hose and you're good to go. It even has a zippered compartment on the side. The handle does snap up to the cart itself right there, so you just slide that down, and then you just take the Velcro thing and wrap it around so it holds the handle, so once you get to where you're going, you can do that. And like I said, it's really easy to haul. My husband's 6'2", and he pulls it very comfortably, so definitely 2 thumbs up for this, guys.